Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to give access to your file on Google Drive. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in using your Google account. Now on your screen, you're gonna find the files, photos, etc. that you're backed up on that Google Drive. Other options are Home, Start, Shared and Files, and there's a search bar on the top of the screen. You can look for the file that you want to share from the search bar, or you can find the app on the suggested. Now all you have to do is tap on the three-dot menu of the file that you want to share. Tap on it, then you're gonna find Manage Access option right below Share. Tap on it. There you can find the Add option right beside Copy link on the top right corner. Just tap on it. Then type in the email ID of the person that you want to give this file access to. Now I'm gonna type in the email address. Make sure it's correct, because if not, they're not gonna get the access there. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on return. There you go. Now right beside add a message on the top of your keyboard, tap on send. And guys, that's it. That's how you give access to your file on Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.